Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. Having a life of gratitude and living with abundance. Going through life, have you ever noticed that even the people that don't have a lot still can have happy times, and that some people who have everything wind up crashing and burning? You ever wondered why that the people who win the freaking lottery wind up having all kinds of issues? Because they don't know how to deal with the gratitude and the gratefulness for everything that's and the amount of abundance that has been attracted to them. You need to really be aware of all of this, have it right there in the front of your mind all the time. Abundance, happiness, having your own purpose is the way to roll. It is the only way to roll. Trying to base yourself on other people and what other people think and all of those other external events will never work. What you have to do is work on this every day. That's the whole point of why we do the hashtag Dad Talks. Talking to you about what we've had to overcome to get better, to do things in our lives that make us happier, that make the people around us happier, because as you make yourself happier, you attract happier people. That's all there is to it. It works out that way every fucking time. Every time. Hashtag Dad Talk, my refired life. World tour still in Athens, Georgia. Moving on today to Atlanta. We'll see you next day when we're in Atlanta. Have a great day, everybody. I'm Papa Tom. Peace out. Love y'all.